Did you know that there's a holiday to celebrate your friends? It's called Friendship Day. It's all about celebrating your friends and what makes your bond special. I love spending time with my friends. They make everything better. Friends are fun. I love when we play games, share snacks, or even when we're laughing at silly jokes together. Friends are supportive. They can listen when you're feeling sad, and they can cheer the loudest for you when you need it. So today, let's be extra kind to our friends and thank them for all they do in our lives. Happy Friendship Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.